doing? He's going all the way towards the front again. Towards the entrance exit.
I'm sorry.
Drop and stop!
I'm sorry.
Get out of the fucking car!
I'm sorry.
Get out of the car!
I got t-shirts. I only got t-shirts. I only sell t-shirts.
Shut up. Give me the fucking keys!
I only sell t-shirts. What
do you got there, bro? What do you got there?
I only got t-shirts.
Down on the ground! Down on the fucking ground!
T-shirts, officer.
Down on the ground!
I only got t-shirts.
Down on the ground!
I only got t-shirts, officer.
Down on the ground!
Officer, I'm gonna leave behind.
Get your hands on your fucking
I only got
pockets!
t-shirts.
Down on the ground! Put your hand on the fucking ground!
Look, officer.
My ass is up!
My ass is up.
Turn over!
My ass is up.
Turn over!
Before my piercing.
Turn over!
All right. I know you're behind me.
Turn over!
I'm sorry.
Turn over!
I
just say the fucking
I
again!
only sell t-shirts. I only sell shirt t-shirts. I'm sorry. I only sell shirt
Give me
t-shirts.
your fucking hand!
I only sell shirt t-shirts. I only sell shirt t-shirts.
Give me your fucking hand!
All right, sir. All right, sir. I'm sorry.
Give me your fucking hand!
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
Trying to put handcuffs on him.
I'm sorry, sir.
Right in front of the Walmart sign.
I'm sorry, sir.
A lot.
I'm sorry. Ah, it hurts. I'm sorry. It hurts. I'm sorry.
Y'all can leave me.
I'm sorry.
Only reunite the shooters with their families.
I built the cages. They had a picture in a certain newspaper. A picture of these horrible cages, and they said, "Look at these cages." President Trump
Uncle this, the last one, that's it.
in 2015. That was him. They built cages. Yes, we're working on it. We're trying. But a lot of them come out without the parents. They come over through cartels and through coyotes and through gangs.
Vice President Biden, let me bring you into this conversation. Quick response.
Just grab his phone.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just got the car.
I'm secure right now. You can slow it down.
And guess what? They cannot. It's not coyotes that bring them over. Their parents were with them. They got separated from their parents. And it makes us a lot
Right there.
Let me ask you.
Can you give her my keys, please, sir?
Let me figure everything out first. I'm gonna figure everything out first.
I didn't know you were behind me. Please, sir.
I gotta figure it out.
Can you give me my car keys, sir, please? Please give me my car keys, sir.
Why did Donald Trump say that? Because
Sir.
it was Joe Biden and Obama that built the cages and now they're
What do you need the keys to call his mom?
Give me my car keys, sir.
what's happening.
Yes, sir.
So you can call his mom. You don't need the keys to call his
This is
mom.
my car keys, sir. I just bought the
Let me
car today.
figure out the
I just bought the car
situation
today.
first, as I said before.
I'm
Please,
sorry, I just
thank
bought
you.
it today.
You can stand up in 3, all right? 1, 2.
I just bought the car today. I fucked up.
Alright, well, it's over now. Okay, so
I fucked up.
did you kind of get in this cuff?
You couldn't lock the door.
I fucked up. I didn't know you fucking were. I'm sorry. I don't know nobody behind me. I fucked up.
Share this video.
There's more souls.
Direct message to them. Maybe say,
He's
hey,
got a
why are you not outraged about this? Joe Biden is overseeing literal kids in cages. Remember when AOC did this when she had her hand?
I was just trying to get out of it. I fucked up. I'm sorry.
Why didn't you just stop, man?
I didn't know he was behind me.
Democrats?
I had nerve. I fucked up. It was my fault.
I'm not giving nobody any help.
I fucked up. I'm sorry.
You can have the light. That's about it right now. Just for a second. All right.
So, is she with them?
Yes, sir.
Can't you see your ID then? So I know who I'm giving the keys to.
Yes, sir.
If there is an issue.
I fucked up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just sit down.
I fucked up. This is the jacket. I don't want none of this shit. This is the jacket.
Just go sit.
Can I just take the
Thank
jacket
you,
off?
man.
Take the jacket. I don't want none of this shit. I fucked up.
Just gonna take a nice picture of the ID. I'll give it to you right away. All right.
I fucked up.
Listen, I need you to listen to me. Okay. Hey, Chris, how are you?
I got the
Is that unfortunately you can't take the car though, okay?
Okay, that's no problem.
Alright? Because your license, it says it's just on the driver's identification card, alright? Are you alright? You good? Okay. Miss, are you alright?
I'm okay. That's
okay.
Take the handcuffs off.
We're going to take the jacket off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss, I just had to make sure you wasn't putting a gun away or something, right? Because he said
No, come on.
I'm just making sure. I said because you were reaching in your pants. Just for a second, I'm only checking the driver's side.
I'm sorry, sir. I ain't know he was behind the car. I got nervous, sir.
What are you asking us?
The car, I got nervous. I got nervous as well. I'm sorry.
You got ID on you, man?
I got ID, yes, sir.
Where is it?
I'm sorry.
Don't grab for it. Just tell us where it is.
I'm sorry. In the glove confined. I fucked up, sir.
Did you take the jacket too?
Yes, that's the jacket. That's the jacket. I fucked up. I'm sorry. This is my car again.
No,
Stand up. We're not doing
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, but...
Yeah, he ran into it, and then before he can lock the door, I locked it.
You ever been arrested before?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anything else like
No, sir.
This is
I
always
just took an outfit. I just took an outfit to wear. No, I fucked up. I fucked up.
Okay, well, it's not the end of the world, Juan. Okay.
I just wanted to mess my speakers. I fucked up.
Okay.
I fucked up.
Alright.
I fucked up.
So...
I fucked up. I'm sorry, yo.
Take a seat.
I just want to apologize to you guys.
Listen.
See, I'm sorry, man. I didn't know nobody was behind me.
It's all good.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know nobody was behind me, yo.
What's your name?
Yeah, I tried to avoid this.
Sorry,
I know. I was like, yo, he just said he wants to try to avoid that.
Thank you so much.
I didn't know nobody was behind me.
This was shorter than
As soon as she saw it on the camera, I was like, alright, let me call before this happens. And then right when he starts going out the door, he takes off.
1871. I didn't know nobody was behind me. Not like 871.
871. Right, where do you live, Robert Banks?
Alright, thank you.
I was 99 million.
Yep, thank you. 99 what?
Million guys. See, I'm sorry, yo. Little man.
Hey, Banks.
I didn't know nobody was behind me. Don't you got close? I got nervous.
Finish with him real quick, and then I'll talk to you in a second,
I'm
alright?
sorry.
Okay.
Actually, I'll finish with you now.
I got nervous.
So you can't start reaching in your hands, in your pockets like that. That's why I drew my gun out on you. Because if you pull a gun on me, I'm not
I got
going.
nervous.
All right, I'm going home at night.
Oh, you thought? Oh,
Yeah,
no.
you start reaching in your pockets
no.
like that.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
So you know.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Were you live?
Yeah, I was like the whole time.
Okay. Alright, listen.
I didn't know nobody was behind me. I'm sorry.
Alright, so just put your feet in the car. You're going to do 04 or 29?
I'm sorry. See, can I say apologize to you?
I understand, yeah, because
I didn't know nobody
have to
was
do
doing
use of force and everything. So
Yeah. Alright, you got to put your feet in the car.
You didn't use the force. That was.
I have to. It's a use. Sir, you don't know our policies, all
You're
right?
not gonna lock me
Our
up, Marty.
procedures. Huh?
You're not gonna lock me up, Marty.
Yeah, unfortunately,
Can I
have
get a
to.
PTA, sir? Again, why?
When you go down there, they'll most likely give you a
Why you can't give me
PTA.
a summons, sir? Come on, sir.
Sir, because I pulled my gun out.
You didn't. No, that wasn't nothing.
I have it on my camera, though.
Can you please?
I understand you don't think it's nothing,
I ain't charging nothing.
Unfortunately, we have to do it the way we do
Sir,
it.
can you please give me a summons,
Can you
man?
just put,
So I need you to understand something. Okay.
Come on, sir. Please.
Listen to me.
Please, I get a summons. Please.
Are you going to stop fucking listening to me? I need you to listen.
I'm just taking a picture of your plate so I can run the plate and just say this is the type of vehicle he's trying to get into, okay?
Hey,
Thank you, miss.
are you listening to me?
Yes.
Okay. So our policy and procedure says you have to be processed at detention because of everything that happened with this incident. If you had just stopped in there and said, okay, I'll give you the stuff back, he would have handed you a summons, you would have walked away. Okay? But because of everything else that escalated, because of you trying to escape and the actions that you took, you have to be processed.
But I never seen him behind me.
Would you please continue listening to me? Please don't be rude to me. I'm not being rude to you. I'm not yelling at you. Okay? When you get down to detention, they're going to take your picture, fingerprint you, and if you don't have any warrants, they're most likely going to give you a summons right on the spot. But you're going to be going to detention whether you want to or not. Okay? It's going to take a couple hours out of your life, but you know what? That's a consequence of your actions. Okay? So that being said, the sooner you put your feet in the vehicle and we process this paperwork, the sooner you'll be on your way.
Yeah, can I talk to her, please? Sure.
Yeah, we'll definitely allow that. Hang tight.
Sir, we're going to go up there where the entrance you came out of, and she can follow us up and she can talk to you, all right?
Can you just build a little bit about
Yep, give me 1 second.
But he's going to move his car, okay? I can see his ID just to fill out his wagon slip.
I got the wagon slip.
All right. It's just, I think it's just gonna be larceny 6 and then the interfering. That's it. But.
All right. Yeah, that's all bad.
All right. Thanks, man.
Okay, okay.
Vital, I'm gonna go to the front. All right. Hey, can you take these? They're not allowed to bring the cigarettes in the lighter, unfortunately, but you can take his phone.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Sorry about this, alright? No hard feelings on my end. I apologize. You're okay though, right? Do you have a ride? You want to wait inside at least?
I'm
So you
okay.
okay.